So, hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you the trade I took on AUDUSD Forex pair on Friday. So, first of all, let's look at the number of factors which were in our favor, which increased the probability. See, as a trader, you must always remember that the more you have in your arsenal, the more factors you have by your side, the better it is for you. So, let's just drive straight into this. So the very first thing that I noticed on the daily time frame chart was that the 66787 and 100 to 200 pips above and below that was quite a zone. Price had a tendency of being supported or being resisted at this zone, and you can see this at multiple instances throughout the charts. So this is a key zone for us, you see. Anyways, it has been a key zone for us. So I marked this zone and then I went into the hourly time frame. Now as soon as you move into the hourly time frame, you will notice that the price is starting to make a double top, and this double top is also accompanied with an RSI divergence. You can see the divergence is clear. It's clear. And especially with divergences, one thing I have learned is when the first leg of the divergence on the RSI indicator is above the average of RSI and the second leg is below the average, then the divergences are quite stronger. So this is actually in our favor, and for a bearish trend, of course. And if you look at the candles, you can see patterns like 3 black crows or something like that, you might call them, and they are closing well below the moving average, the 20 moving average. So the market is telling us to go short. And one more overlapping factor. So you have overlapping factor 1, which is the key price level, 2, which is the double top pattern, overlapping factor 3 is the RSI divergence, and the overlapping factor 4 is the divergence of the Bollinger Bands. So 4 overlapping factors are telling you that you can go short, and you also have 3 black soldiers or something like that candle patterns, and moving averages is also telling you to go short. The trend might change. So I shorted it somewhere over here. You should wait for the Bollinger Band expansion. You can wait, and then you can short somewhere over here or here. That will also turn out pretty well. So let me just show you in my MT5 account. So as you can see, the pair, this is AUDUSD and the hourly time frame. I took the trade somewhere over here, and I kept the target to be 65326. The target was set by analyzing the 4-hour time frame. Yes, the 4-hour time frame indicates that you can keep your target somewhere over here if the market is going so down. So anyways, the target is close to the same level, I believe, 65326. 65326, yeah, somewhere over here. So and my stop loss was near my swing high. This is my stop loss, and this was my target. You can see the risk reward ratio is pretty good. It's more than 3 or 4, I guess. I don't know. You can measure this. And the trade has worked out pretty well in my favor as of now. I took the trade in 1 mini lot, and I have booked half of my profits. Now the reason why I booked half of my profits is because you can see this liquidity void over here. You see this liquidity void over here, this one, this is a void, and you can say this is also a void. So the market has to fill these voids, and it did fill these voids. So there might be a tendency for price to retrace back, and the trend was very aggressive. Aggressive trends usually pull back um, with they usually pull back without giving you much indications. So you need to be careful. You cannot be too greedy with these trends. So I have put the target over here. The target might hit. There is a probability, but we'll just wait. And even if this trade now goes against me, I'll still be in profit. So this is the trade, and yes, I have kept half of my positions. I have kept half of my positions open for Monday. Let's see. And that's it from my side, guys. Thank you.